Whether you have a studio, home practice space, or special event, dance floor tiles provide a perfect hard surface dance floor. These durable tiles come in beautiful wood looks that will keep your studio or home practice space looking sharp. If you host weddings and events, purchasing your own portable dance floor tiles is a better investment than continuing to rent them every time. Dance tiles are also the go-to choice for studio dancers looking to get a little extra practice at home. Dance floor tiles are especially great for social dancing and at-home practice for a few reasons. Dance floor tiles come together in a snap with a click and lock system. They're also extremely lightweight, which makes installing even easier. Being lightweight and easy to install makes dance floor tiles a portable flooring option, which is a must for events and most social dancing. Plus, if you're creating a home practice space, you can easily set up and tear down the dance floor as needed. Dance floor tiles are the perfect temporary practice space. Finally, these tiles create a tough and durable dance floor. All of our dance floor tiles are specifically designed to hold up to several years of dancing at all levels. Many come with 3-year warranties, and some are even up to 12 years. You can use these tiles for just about any style of dance, including tap, ballroom, hip-hop, or ballet. They come in individual tiles or as dance floor kits, both in various sizes. All dance floor tile options are easy to clean and maintain. Just be sure to sweep regularly and use a damp mop with a mild cleaning solution to keep your dance floor sparkling. We hope this helps break it down for you and gives you an idea of the best dance floor for your space. Thank you for joining us. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website via live chat or give us a call. We'd be happy to help.